we did run water in this unit. Now we're going to take a look up line and take a look at the sewer pipes. Alright, that's a problem. I'm not going to go over that. I might get stuck on the other side. I don't want to get stuck, so that needs to be fixed. I'm going to go locate. I can't get over. Alright, so I'm going to locate that inside the garage, I guess. We're 8 feet in. Let's see where that takes us. Let me pause this. Okay, we got that located right under the threshold of the garage door. And so we're not going to be able to proceed beyond that point. That's a pretty severe problem. See, I think maybe that on the left, it looks like a double kink, but that on the left may just be some paper that's folded up because it got stuck right there.